What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a toolpath on Vcarve. First thing first, you want to set up your job size. Your job size is based off the dimensions of the material you will be cutting. So in my case, the size of my job is going to be 96 inches by 48 inches. The thickness just happened to be 0.75 inches. Next, you want to adjust your scale factor. Your scale factor is used when you're importing your design from an outside source such as Onshape. This will prevent your design from coming out too small or too large. Adjusting the scale factor will change the dimensions of your design to its actual size and shape. Now just move your design back onto the sheet. Then you're going to want to get rid of your vectors so it won't be none opened. This will let you continue with your toolpath throughout the project. To do this, hold shift, click on your outside lines, and then hit join vectors. As you can see, they are all now closed. If I click on it, they're all connected. Now you're going to want to do it with each individual section that you want to create a pocket toolpath. Once you're finished with your vectors, close the vector tab and then continue to create your toolpaths. Select the object you want to create a toolpath for, go to the Toolpath tab and create a toolpath. Make sure your job dimensions such as your thickness is set accordingly with your toolpath, otherwise you will cut through the board or not cut deep enough. As you see here, I'm checking the thickness and then I'm checking the cut depth on the toolpath. Next, you want to add tabs to your toolpath. This will prevent your design from moving around when the CNC router is cutting it out. Here's an example of what the toolpath would look like without the pocket toolpath. As you can see, the tabs are still there. You just chisel them out. Next, for the pocket toolpath, you want to select all your parts that you want to be a pocket. Your depth on here is going to be less than your cut depth. This is to make the actual pocket so it won't go all the way through your board. It'll be partially through it. Here is a preview of what the project would look like with the pocket toolpath. As you can see, it doesn't go all the way through the board. You have like a little pothole in your project.